It's just going on to the 2nd of March. I got a new iPhone with my stock quotes on it. You can see the euro to the dollar at 135.61. On my screen it's 135.61. And this is one of my studies. This is how beautiful the market is. On Friday I did a study on oil at 79.57, thinking that it's short of here, it'd come back to the long-term trend line, and then you'd buy it for a little upswing. You can see it trending over the last month. That's all February. There are early candlesticks. And if we zoomed in on that, this is a Friday. You can see it's going on sideways. This is the long-term trend line right here. It touched it right in the point there. And if it comes back, we buy it at the green arrow. And here's what happened today. If we zoom in, this is a month. That was the contact there on the chart. Well, I just gave away what happened. But if we zoom in, I printed off that chart on Friday when it was right here. It went sideways. It went short like I expected. It went right to the point at 78.12 is the low. I said buy it at 78.25. So that's the example of the market coming back to a long-term trend line. You really want to be really careful and buy those long-term trend lines. And everything makes trend lines. And at 6:20 when that happened, if we zoom in, that little spike right there on that trend line is exactly 6:20. And at 6:20, I was in my bathroom putting up my new shower curtain. I have a yellow rubber duck shower curtain. I also cleaned the bathtub. It kind of needed to be done. But I'll focus on the market more tomorrow. I'm still doing my studies, and I'm planning to trade very well in March, as you can see by all my studies that I do. So I'm following gold and oil, Google, the S&P 500, the pound to the US dollar, the euro to the Japanese yen, the euro to the US dollar, the pound to the euro, and the US dollar to the Japanese yen. And they're all doing interesting trends, long term and short term. And we're listening to Essential Mix. It's bbc.co.uk/radio1, the Essential Mix. This week's mix is Faithless Sound System. It's good. Oh, you can see the pound today basically shit to bed. Drops 350 points. Makes a bottom here. From the top here down to here, that's the 50% retracement. You can see it's hanging right around the 50% level. That's the Fibonacci retracement.